Mm.
She will. I wouldn't
Allison.
you're right, good.
Mm.
Really? There's a lot of really good stuff that she forgot to say. Isn't that good? Look, that's a matter of opinion. Look, the point is, Mom, sisters should get along. Families are supposed to love each other. Not what you always tell us. Using my own words against me. Call up Aunt Jamie, invite her over. Let's just end this once and for all. Family is for Andrew. Oh, sure, now you say it.
You again.
Hey, we need to talk.
A little busy here.
It's important. I could be in big trouble.
Fine. At least you didn't bring your annoying redheaded hello.
That revolving door was confusing.
What do you guys want?
Hey, you got stuff. You see these pictures.
No, I don't. You signed a legal release. I can do whatever I want with them.